Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to do a bathroom makeover. If you're new to this channel, I have my baby sister. She's like a daughter to me. I always go to her home from times and times to do some cleaning for her because she's always working. She's a work addict like me, but you know, I always try to help out as much as I can. And guys, this video is a video collaboration with this company that sent me this light. Guys, it's so nice, so beautiful. It's good to have. And guys, I always bring you the best of the best. And guys, if you are in the market for a light for your bathroom, this one is the best one. As you can see, it's modern. It has a variety of light. And look at the way they package, and you're not going to have any problem with your mirror getting broken or anything. As you can see guys, they have like this thing in the perimeter to prevent it from breaking. And I'm opening from the back, and guys, they take good care of packing everything, and the thing come in one piece as you can see. And this mirror is huge. If you don't want a big one like that, you can always go to the website and then choose the size that you want. And for my need, that was the exact size that I need, so that's why I picked this one. But if you want bigger, they have bigger, they have a smaller. It's all what you need. And the package come with all the tools that you need, manual instruction. They don't let you stranded on to guess what to do. They have direction, everything that you need to install the mirror. And guys, it's so nice, and I love the way it built. As you can see, the material is very nice and is very beautiful, very modern. So guys, if you need something like that, so feel free to check the description box down below, because if you buy one, you won't regret it, because you have to stay till the end of the video to see how I change everything. As you can see, her bathroom, it's not that bad, because I love the tile, the way they do it all over. But I have my nephew is a problem. As you can see, he have his handprint everywhere, he white everywhere. So if you have kids guys, you know the struggle. And I'm going to replace this. I'm in love with the tile, the way they do the tile all over the bathroom. It's nice, very nice. It's like sparkle. It's very nice. But you know, I have to add the beauty of styles touch in it. As you can see, that's a mirror that she have right now. I don't really like it, guys. You know, whenever I go to my sister's house, it's a family affair. My brother-in-law and his friend didn't have any problem at all installing the mirror. As you can see, even the mirror are supposed to install over the tile. They just have to drill the tile and then just add the mirror. It's super easy to install. As you can see guys, as I told you, it's a family affair. And guys, right now I'm going to add my contact paper. So I'm not going to do a full tutorial on how I install my contact paper. I have several videos. I'm going to leave them in the description box down below for you. You can check them out. I picked up this contact paper from Walmart, but I will definitely leave links in the description box down below for you of similar one. My sister going to change the vanity, but as of for now, I'm going to use the contact paper to make it look very nice until she's ready to change the vanity. And guys, I can promise you the final result have her think twice. Since I have a couple items that I ordered from Amazon, I haven't received them yet. So until then, when she see the final result, she was wow. And I hope you guys stay till the end of the video so you can see how I turn her bathroom. Very, very nice hotel look, very luxurious looking. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm adding the contact paper. Like I said before, I'm not going to do a full tutorial. I'm so good at contact paper, I don't even use towel or card to lay it flat. Everything look perfectly perfect guys. after I finish added my contact paper, I always put caulk in the perimeter of everything to make it look professional. This part, that's the part I'm going to add caulk all around the perimeter to make it look very professional looking. As you can see, guys, this is the mirror, and you have to remove the plastic that cover it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Remove everything so I can reveal the final result of the bathroom. And guys, so far what I'm doing, I'm loving it, because compared to the way it was to the way it is right now, I know I did a great job. So guys, what do you think about it? My sister loved black because of her son, and I add this shower curtain. I think it's super nice. What do you think, guys? If you think it's nice, give me a big thumbs up. And as you can see, the mirror, guys, very, very modern, very beautiful. So if you in the market for a mirror, don't hesitate to buy one, because you will be so happy with one like this. As you can see, guys, I'm changing the light. It has continuous light going on, and if you want one solid color, you can have it. If you want the continuous, you can have it. If you want white light, you can have it. If you want the colors, you can have it. If you want all of them all together, you can have it. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's a must-have, guys. You know, I always bring good things for you guys, so this is one of the best, and I love it so much. My sister is so happy because she never really have time to just do her thing. So I'm so happy I was able to help out, and I always go to her place sometimes in time to do some cleaning for her. And you know, she always returned the favor in other way, not for cleaning for me, but she's my baby sister. I love her. And guys, as you can see, this one I ordered something on Amazon. They haven't come yet. I'm gonna leave it this like this for now. But guys, as you see the before, and with the contact paper, the mirror, and then I got a 5-star hotel look. It's different from the before, guys, and I love it so much. As you can see, if you like it, just don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. What do you think about the video today? Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Even if it takes 100,000 years to finally shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur Channel moi. Si c'est la première fois, moi c'est bienvenue. Non, moi c'est Merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec vos amis. Et si c'est pas la première fois, moi je vous merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder la vidéo. Moi j'aime nous. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one.